Hello Atlanta, my name is Aoife Fleming and I'm a law student at Leiden University and also UN Youth Representative on Sustainable Development for the Netherlands. And this is my colleague Jiahui Plomp, also a law student at Leiden University. Together we have organized a lecture series on sustainability and law and a summer course on international law and climate change. We organized the lecture series on sustainability and law because we believe that the question of sustainability is inextricably linked with the way we organize our legal systems. So for this lecture series, we invited professors and practitioners from different legal fields to teach about a current sustainability topic in their field. For example, we had lectures on the climate change agenda, the EU single plastics regulation, and the carbon emissions tax. This way, we hope to show all students, whether they have a financial or administrative legal background, that sustainability will be a topic they will need to think about in their future legal careers. And we are happy to say that next month our second edition will be starting.
My name is Jiahui Plomp and I'm also a law student at Leiden University. And together with Aoife, we organized a summer course on international law and climate change this summer. One of the reasons why we did this was, of course, of the COVID-19 pandemic. It has to be online. And we wanted to show our fellow students the impact of vulnerable groups in the international community, such as small island developing states. And besides that, we wanted to show them that the consequences of climate change are inherently connected to climate justice. And at last, we want to wish you the best of luck with the Global Climate Action Symposium.